How to connect Namecheap domain to your Shopify. Hello everyone, on this tutorial video I'm going to show you the easy steps to link any domain to your Shopify account, and I will give you the easy method to activate your domain. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Namecheap account, then I will show you how to open, and after creating your account and buying the domain, then hit on account. Then guys, go directly to domain list. Then I will show you how to easily import and link the domain to your Shopify account. Then guys, open your Shopify account, and after creating and linking your account with your email address, then go directly to the settings on the bottom, then hit on settings. Then guys, scroll to domain section on the left, and then hit on domain. Then guys, there is two options: buy a new domain or connect existing domain. Then if you are already buying the Namecheap domain, then go directly and hit on connect existing domain. Then guys, you need to tap and paste your domain name. Then guys, this is my domain name, and this is my domain name, or you can click on manage. Then guys, this is my domain name, then copy and paste it, then hit on next. Then guys, you need to verify the connection. Then after clicking on verify connection, there is some information needed to add it to your domain section. Then guys, the first one is need to add CNAME. Then hit on your Namecheap application, your Namecheap website, then go directly to advanced DNS, then hit on advanced DNS. Then guys, scroll down at add new record, then hit on add a new record, then scroll down to CNAME record. Then guys, the host, go to Shopify, CNAME record, the host is www, then copy and paste it. Then the value, go again to Shopify, then this is the value, then copy the value, then you need to paste it. Then guys, the TTL, make it always automatic, then save changes. Then again, you need to add a record, then add a record, then the host, copy, go a record, the host is copy, then paste it. Then the value, this is the value, require the value, then copy the value, then you need to paste it, then also automatic, then save changes. After adding this information, some people to activate your domain on your Shopify store, it take maybe 24 hours. As you see guys, after adding this information, go to your Shopify store and verify connection. As you see guys, your domain name was added to your Shopify store, but some people ask me why my domain name is not added successfully in the first time, because it take 24 hours. For me, for the first time, it was taken me 24 hours. Then after 24 hours, it will activate it automatically. As you see guys, my domain name was activated and added to my Shopify store successfully. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.